Welcome to a world of fluffy paws and boundless joy, where the gentle giants of tomorrow embark on their first wobbly steps today. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the irresistible charm of St. Bernard puppies, each one a tiny bundle of fur overflowing with cuteness. From their fuzzy faces to their oversized paws, these adorable little ones capture our hearts and fill our days with laughter and love. So, sit and relax for a few minutes and take in the sheer adorableness of St. Bernard puppies, the magic of puppyhood in its purest form.